Hi guys, today welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to drain a petrol out of my car without dropping a tank, because the customer, actually this is a diesel engine Mercedes, so the customer puts in a petrol inside, so it's difficult to start, and whenever it starts it brings a lot of smoke and engine is shaking. That are the symptoms when you put petrol into a diesel engine. Also, we need to check all the injectors, but that one should be later on. But the first thing I want to do first is to drain the fuel out of the tank without dropping the engine, and I'm going to show you several ways you can do it. One of the methods I'm going to use now is through my diagnosis computer. So you can basically plug in your diagnostic computer to your car, any car it is. Then I'll show you how to go about it, and I'll show you how to go about it. First, you need to put the car in ignition. You can see the car is on ignition, and you need to go back, then plug in an extra power source to the battery, because while you're plugging an extra power source to the battery, because the pump is going to be on to drain out the fuel, and the car needs extra battery, so this one won't die, so the battery won't die, get flat. So this. So now let's start. I'll go into my diagnosing machine. So this is my diagnosing machine. Then go into my diagnosis. Before that, first you need this my pipe from the fuel pump. I connected to an external pipe straight down to the keg, and come to the diagnosis machine. Then, because this is a Mercedes C-Class, so you click on it. I go to select system, then I go to engine control model. Yes, the ignition is on. Then I go to alternation test. Then I go to fuel pump. This is my M3 because that's what I'm going for, to take it on. Do you want to put it at idle? Do you want to test it at engine at idle? Yes, okay. Then I need to open it, so I need to activate it, which is F3. So this is it. You can see I'm actually draining it to my keg. You can see the water is coming in. Yeah, the fuel is coming out without dropping the tank. This is how I can empty my tank without dropping this. So you can actually watch more of my videos on how to get smart things done on your car. Follow for more, and follow the link above. Thank you. Like and follow for more. Subscribe.